gold macaw goldie.
Mo na gipoy pop ni Sir. I-click toss man na kanang usa ka po. Kanang gamay na po.
First up, on your right side is our green-winged macaw bandit. As you can see, bandit is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wings and tail feathers are blue and green. Bandit also have a white-legged face, striped with small red feathers. And bandit's scientific name is Arabloropters. Now say hi to everyone, bandit. Hi. On the other side, hi. Right? Remember, bandit is also our flag-raising bird earlier in this show. Up next is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. As you can see, Goldie has a beautiful shade of blue on its back, up to its tail feathers, and a solid shade of yellow on its belly and inner side wings. Its eyes and beaks are solid black. So here's the promotion part. We have two blue and gold macaw. We have Goldie and si Blue earlier during the basketball game. And Goldie's scientific name is Ara. So muhay sa si Goldie, no? Pinashy type na. Hi, Goldie! Pwede mo shy type na siya.
Hello!
Lastly, here with me is our Eclectus parrot red. Eclectus parrot are very unusual to the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning, you can easily distinguish between a male and a female Eclectus parrot. So red right here is a female Eclectus parrot. That is because of its bright red colored feathers. So meanwhile, guys, ang mga Eclectus parrot naman is male, they have a bright green colored feathers. So basically, an Eclectus parrot, red means female and green means male. Now for the lifespan, Eclectus can live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, for macaw, bandit, and Goldie can live up to 60